In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unable to send SMS please try again later error on Telegram for Android. This error usually happens when too many verification code requests have been made in a short period of time. First, stop tapping the resend button and wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Telegram often places a temporary cooldown on verification requests for security reasons. If you are already logged into Telegram on another device, check there for the login code. Telegram may send the code to an active Telegram session instead of sending an SMS. Next, try clearing Telegram's cache. Open your phone settings, then apps, then find Telegram from the list. Tap on it. Tap on storage and choose clear cache. If that doesn't help, you can try clear data, but you will need to sign in again afterward. You can also reinstall Telegram. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, and then install the latest version from the Google Play Store. Another thing to check is your network connection. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you are using a third-party SMS app, try disabling it temporarily as it could be blocking verification messages. If the issue still continues, try connecting to a reliable VPN and request the code again. That's it. These steps should help you fix the Telegram SMS verification error. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.